How to move Microsoft Authenticator to new phone. Moving Microsoft Authenticator to new phone is fairly simple. Now let's say you're coming from an older device, you want to restore the same authenticator details on a new phone. As I said, it's really simple, but only the thing that you need to ensure is that you need to basically have backed up your previous authenticator data to your Microsoft account. So if you have not backed up, make sure you do so right away. And on your new phone, all you have to do is, even the same phone after resetting, let's say, you can simply open the Microsoft Authenticator app, and this is the interface that you will be able to see. After you see this interface, what you have to do is, you can see on the login page, we have to restore that backup which we had backed up previously. So it's that we have to restore our data in the login process. Here you can see it says already have a backup, sign into your recovery account, and there you'll find a blue button that says begin recovery. All you have to do is tap on the begin recovery button there, and as you do that, on the next page you'll be able to simply sign into your Microsoft account to the exact one where you backed up your data, and everything from your previous device to the new device will be restored. So this way you'll be able to move Microsoft Authenticator to new phone. I hope this video helped you. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.